Today we're going to show you how to install and run Lorex EasyConnect Auto Port Forwarding Wizard. Lastly, we'll show you how to register for Lorex's free DDNS service. To begin, insert the system's software CD into your computer. Follow the instructions to launch Lorex EasyConnect Auto Port Forwarding Wizard. From the Welcome screen, click Next. To change the default installation location, click Change. To keep the default, click Next. You can select the users who can see the auto port forwarding shortcut. This is optional. Click Next to continue. You're now ready to install the application. Click Next. And that's it. You're all done. Click Finish to exit the installer. The Lorex Auto Port Forwarding shortcut will appear on your desktop. Double-click this to launch Lorex EasyConnect. Now that you've installed Lorex EasyConnect, let's run the software. Before you start, make sure you have the following: your router's model number and version number, your router's username and password, the IP address of your Lorex device, and the port numbers on your Lorex device that require forwarding. For details on how to find the IP address and port numbers of your Lorex device, please refer to your product's instruction manual. Double-click the desktop icon to launch Lorex EasyConnect. Check the upper right corner of the main window. Download and install a new version of the software if it is available. Choose your language, either English, French, or Spanish, and click Start. EasyConnect will download the router database and check if you are using one router or multiple routers. If using multiple routers, please refer to the EasyConnect manual for more information. Click Next. Next, you need to select your router. Click the Auto Detect button to have EasyConnect detect your router for you. It works with most Linksys and Netgear routers. If the router is correct, click OK. If not, use the drop-down menu to select your router manually. Click the Detect Router button. This will allow EasyConnect to find the IP address of your router. Click OK to close the window. EasyConnect should automatically detect your router's username and password. If the username and password do not appear, please enter this information manually. Under Lorex product information, enter the IP address of your security device. Please refer to your product's instruction manual for details on finding the IP address of your device. Enter the web or HTTP port in the top field. Enter other ports in the remaining fields. Click Next. Next, you need to update your router and test your connection. At the prompt, enter the username and password of your router. EasyConnect will begin to port forward the necessary ports on your router. When EasyConnect is finishing forwarding the ports, save your settings. Close the router window to return to EasyConnect. Click Test Connection to verify that you can view your system in your browser. Enter the username and password of your security device. If using Internet Explorer, you will be prompted to install ActiveX. ActiveX must be installed in order to view the cameras in your browser. Click the URL to register for Lorex's free DDNS service. In this final part, we're going to show you how to register for Lorex's free DDNS service. DDNS will allow you to connect to your system over the internet from anywhere in the world. So to get started, open your browser. We recommend Internet Explorer. and go to lorexddns.net. On the left-hand side, you're going to see Login, Create Account, and Lost Password. Click Create Account. Under Create New Account, Account Information, enter all of your relevant account information, including warranty information. This is essential for technical support and product updates. Now, under System Information, you're going to see a drop-down menu that says Select Product Code. Select the model number of your Lorex device from this menu. To the right of that is a field for the MAC address. The MAC address is the physical address of your product on your network. If you need information on finding the MAC address, please refer to your product's instruction manual. In the field marked URL request, here enter a URL for your DDNS connection. So it could be your name, a nickname, your company name, or the location of the DVR. When you've finished entering all of your information, click Create New Account. Once you do that, you will receive a confirmation email. Keep this email. It has all of the pertinent information for you to log on to your system over the internet. And lastly, you will need to enable DDNS on your Lorex system. For information on how to do this, please refer to your product's instruction manual.